Teixeira, Chief R&D and Quality Officer for Goodman Fielder in Sydney. Goodman Fielder is a food company with a long tradition of supplying consumers in Australia, New Zealand and the Pacific area with a number of food products. Among them, dressings and mayonnaise and sauces of all kinds. The challenge on this project was that we're both looking at a taste improvement with the elimination or reduction of vinegar, and at the same time addressing a major health and wellness issue in reducing the amount of sugar and salt in our product while guaranteeing the perfect food safety. We came to CSIRO with a problem. They introduced us to FIAL and the SME Solutions Center, and together we developed a solution for our dressing that was reformulated to our tastes and at the same time with perfect food safety. We were quite happy to see that CSIRO had already developed a number of solutions that matched exactly what we were looking for potentially in terms of addressing this need for new tastes while guaranteeing the food safety. Through the SME Solutions Center, we're able to access FIAL's funding and CSIRO expertise, which helped us significantly to achieve the goals that we started out with. We couldn't have done the work in-house, fundamentally because we do not have the scientific capability. The difference from where we were before and where we are today as a result of this relationship between FIAL, ourselves, and CSIRO is the fact that we did not have to invest in scientific capabilities that would take a number of years to materialize and to bear fruit. And we had immediate access to an existing knowledge base that was at arm's reach for us. And we could immediately see the results by cooperating, by working together in a very collaborative manner. The SME Solutions Center, which is a partnership between FIAL and CSIRO, has provided training via CSIRO to our new product development team in the use of the tool. That training has a major impact in the way we reformulate products for this project and beyond. The relationship in the future, it can only go further and further and further, because obviously when you have success in one area, we immediately become curious about what else we could do. There are a number of other opportunities, not just problems, but opportunities to create new ideas and bring those ideas into concepts that eventually can become projects for the future.